Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will provide you the complete schedule for the first round of the Comdeck Counseling 2022. So if you are the candidates who have given the Comdeck and you are basically appearing in the Comdeck Counseling, then this video one very important for you. So must watch the video completely. So guys, in this video, I will talk about the complete data or complete dates about the Comdeck Counseling 2022 round 1. So what are the important dates that you should keep in mind? Because guys, if you forgotten these dates, then you may face problem. So I will talk in that. Before moving guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important videos. So we talk about the important dates. So these are the some important dates that the Comdex have said. Okay, so start of the choice being that's I have already gone means till 2nd October, and for the publication of mock allotment up to means 4th October, mock allotment result has already been declared. Now very important in context to the change. Okay, so if you have the fill out the form of the Comdex counseling and you have made some mistakes regarding the date of birth, parent name, or some of the preference and other things, then you can do all things, means you can change all that. Okay, they have given the time from the 2 p.m. of the 4th October 2022 to 3 p.m. of the 6th October 2022. So what can you change? You can change edit preference in choice filling form. Okay, after verifying mock allotment result, candidates can edit, reorder, delete, and add preference. Means you can change your preference according to your the preference. So if you have made some mistake in the previous, okay, previously if you have made some mistake, then now they have allowed that you can now change all that data. So very important these date, and you can do till 6th October 3 p.m. Then publication of the first round allotment result, it will release up to 11 a.m. of 8th October 2022. So on 8th October 2022, round 1 allotment result will be declared and you can clearly visualize that which college you haven't get it. These are the very important date in context to that, and you should keep in mind guys. Okay, next very important, publication of mock round allotment result. So when the first round allotment result, I've already said that is the 8th October. Now decision making confirmation. So how can you make the confirmation? Okay, or whether you want to join that college or not, the timing that is very important is up to the 11 a.m. of 8th October 2022, 3 p.m. of the October. Okay, means 3 p.m. of the 11th October. So you can do all that things, or whether you want to go for that or not, up to 11th October. Okay, so that is the timing for the acceptance of the fee and the means acceptance of your seats. Okay, then very important things regarding that, the reporting to allotted college. Means if you have been allotted a certain seats in the Comdeck counseling, then you have to report to the particular college. And what is the timing? From the 8th October 2022 to 3 p.m. of the 12th October 2022. You can go for that and you can made all that things inside the college. Means what can you do? Candidates are advised to check with the respective college for their working hour for reporting and make the travel arrangement in advance to report to the allotment college. Okay, means suppose you have got the particular college, then you have to ask inside the college. Okay, means, or you can say simply you have to call to the college that whether these timings are good or not, means whether college will open on that particular time or particular day or not. So you have to confirm all that things, and according to that you have to arrange your travel and all things. So be careful. So if you want to take the admission, then you have to contact to the college. Okay, so that is the important date regarding that. And after, very important, that last thing, that surrender facility for candidates with accepted seat during round 1. Means you have to surrender the facility. You can also surrender in round 2, no doubt, but if you want to surrender, then this is the important time, that 11 a.m. of 8th October 2022 to 3 p.m. of 13th October 2022. So you can surrender facility all that things up to 13th October 2022. So these are the some of the important dates that you have to keep in mind. You can also take out the screenshot because that will really helpful for you in the Comdeck counseling. So this is all the important context, important dates I want to share with you. Now, very important that this schedule may be changed, okay, because the Comdeck have a complete authority to change all that date, but there is a little chance that there may be changes. But uh, these are the important dates. Guys, I've covered the all important dates about that. I hope your all doubt regarding this is clear. But if you have any doubt, then you can ask me on the Telegram, Instagram, or WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever the platform you are comfortable with, that you can ask for any doubt regarding the Comdeck counseling, whether you want to choose a particular college or not. Regarding anything, if you are doubt, then you can ask me in the comment box. That will be very good for you. Guys, this is all the information I want to share. I hope video informative to you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to share with friends so they can also get help from my video. And support my channel for providing such important video. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.